Hey guys, Bruce Milligan here from Cell Pro Repair Solutions. Just want to do a quick tutorial on a speaker that's not clear or no sound is coming out of it on an iPhone X. The customer brought this in. The iPhone, you can see up in the earpiece speaker that it gets like a sort of blocked. You can't clearly see the little holes in the speaker, and it does matter for when you're on your phone for hearing people, as well as when you're listening to YouTube videos or whatever the case may be, because sound does come out of that earpiece speaker when you're listening to videos for additional sound as well. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to take a toothbrush, you want to put soap on it and then just lather it, kind of just go like that to lather it up. And then you want to dry it off quite a bit, so it's not very, so it doesn't look very soapy, but it's still sort of soapy. It's just not very wet. And then you just want to brush it on there, and you want to work it in quite a bit to get that clean off. And then with this earpiece speaker, you can actually feel almost like a wind coming out of it when it hits your face. So if you put it up to your face and you can feel the wind coming out of it on your cheek, then at that point it's clear. You'll also physically be able to hear that it's clear. Anyways, that's how you clean that out. This works for XS Maxes, XRs, XSs, a lot of Samsungs as well. So that's kind of what you do. If you like this video or if it helped, please subscribe. Thank you very much.